I'm gonna be creating or making a tea, and it has a lot of purposes. So I'm gonna be using flaxseed. This is a great source of fiber. Turmeric is actually good for boosting your immune system. And also limoncito or native lemons. This is a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is really needed for our immune system to be good enough not to be contaminated with a virus. So I usually prefer my tea hot, of course, because it's also good for the throat. And if you read a lot of articles, they say that if you drink lukewarm or hot water, you're most likely safe from the virus, because the virus stays in your throat for a few hours or days before it goes through your lungs. So it's better to kill it that way. So hot water. I only put around half of hot water in my tea. Just put, yeah, just a few. And then I also use only 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Ito mahurot, guys. Also 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. This is the meal. The flaxseed, whole seeds, and it will be difficult for your body to absorb. Gusto di-absorb sa imong lawas ang nutrients sa flaxseed if whole seeds siya. It was prescribed to patients with intestinal issues because it cleanses your intestinal tract. So nindot kani siya. Hapit ako mahurot. This is only 300 plus and it lasted for a few months. I bought this in Healthy Options. I'm not really sure where else to buy this here in Cebu, but if you know, please do leave them in the comments below. And lastly, not lastly, second to the last, I put in the lemons, and of course, make sure to remove the seeds. And to sweeten my tea, I always make sure I have honey. So this was bought in Metro for 200 plus. I also have one from La Nueva which was also around that amount. Pero gagmay na siya. Pero it's safer to buy in the grocery than the sidewalks because sometimes you don't know if naigi sagol sa ilang honey kanang sa lapad ganyan baligya. Unless you trust the seller, then palit mo ana, but besides sagulan do na nila para managhan. So it's not really pure. Honey to sweeten. But if wala mo yung honey, guys, you can also use brown sugar. Brown sugar is always healthier than white sugar. And mauna siya. I usually take it every night, but karon buntag siya, but para ra di sa vlog. It's good to consume fiber at night para the next day maayo inyong bowel movement, and then it can also detoxify your tummy. So it's a really good drink. And if hilig mo kanta-kanta, I suggest you drink warm or wait a second. I suggest you drink warm or hot drinks. Okay, lami siya sa tutunan. So muna siya, guys. Naari ko nung gawing project doon, charing. Di pa kayo namang mga bangko kay wala dyan may magamit kay gihurot ni Craig. Stressful kayo as in. I can insert a video here of me cutting the wood yesterday with a wooden saw. Saw for wood. Bubak dito kahapon. It was not easy. Naluthan ganit ko sa gabas. Ano, hindi makita. Pero, naluthan ko sa gabas, guys. Kay it's not easy. So, kumusta naman mo ako mga tanom sa liw, kidag ko na kayo. Because of the pandemic, we always made sure we have stocks, especially on kamote, saging, kalamansi, jo daghan na kay kog sidling sa luyo tungod sa mga liso na akong sablig dito sa yuta. So, I hope you also made your quarantine productive by planting your own vegetables and fruits there in your backyard. If wala, sugdi na kay we really don't know when panimo man ang quarantine. And it's also a good stress reliever and also a diversion para di kayo magunahunag problema. Gihubak ko kay nagpalabi kog exercise. I did it on a daily basis and I did lose a little weight. I'm not sure how much I lost. Ano na siya. Okay, so noon yung mga liso na kung nakuha. Then for the honey, you don't really need to apply a lot. Just to make sure you sweeten it. I also use this for my face. I mix it with brown sugar and scrub it on my face. And then this product, honey raha, bantag ang flaxseed. You mix it with brown sugar, you scrub it on your face. Kanina ayon na ako mga bugas, cause this is good for healing of acne, pimples. So after you scrub it with brown sugar and honey, you also make sure you use this as mask as well. Leave it for at least 30 minutes on your face. So guys, this is how the tea, the tea looks like. So again, this is a great source of fiber, vitamin C, and also it's also great source of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it's good to relieve pain and boost your immune system and lower your cholesterol level. So, wala siya akong tea, guys. You can also share what your favorite tea is made of by leaving them in the comments below. And I guess that's it. And if you also know where to buy flaxseed meal na wala sa mall, if you know any grocery or any store na mo deliver of flaxseed, kindly suggest them below. And also, if you know any source who or which also delivers turmeric powder, please also let me know. And if you have a good provider of honey na dili mahal and is pure, please also let me know. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. And I wish you well, and I wish you good health in this pandemic. And please don't forget to make sure you eat healthy, like fruits and vegetables. Just to make sure healthy ta and not really vulnerable to the virus. Because I want to see you after pandemic, after the quarantine, guys. I still want to see you in the outside world. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for watching all other videos I uploaded, especially the wheezing videos I uploaded in YouTube. It's just a pastime. I find it effective for relieving my stress. Yeah. So please pasensya if daghan na kay kog cover. Some of them are requested, some of them are requested by myself. But yeah, I'm uploading it to have fun, relieve stress. If you would like to do it with me in wheezing, kindly look for me there by my first name, Margrette, and we can do it, and I'll upload it here. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, lovies. I hope you have a great day. Do take care and take care of yourself always. Bye!